Oh, hi guys, we're here in Willis Creek, Utah. Nagpalipas ng oras dito sa Willis Creek. Maganda ang aming view. Ayan. That's the important thing. Ayan. Kita ko sa inyo where we are staying for a minute. Si asawa ko dyan nagpunta doon pero hindi na ako sumama. Mayroong mga nagka-park na sasakyan sa other side, but we park our truck over there. Very nice weather here. 71 degrees in Utah. Here's my husband. How is it there?